Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming the essentials: an ID, a payment method, and the reason you need the number. Next, compare provider types, carrier, VoIP, or reseller, because cost and features differ. Once you pick a type, shortlist 2-3 vendors based on price, SMS support, and geographic coverage. Make sure to check number formats and any setup fees. This avoids surprises. Then create an account now, upload ID if required, and add your chosen payment option so you can buy the number immediately. Once you have an account, search inventory by area code or toll-free if needed, because location affects caller ID and cost. Choose a number, then configure forwarding rules, voicemail greeting, SMS routing, and any app or SIP integration. Make sure to set caller ID and business hours routing. This prevents missed calls. After configuration, verify ownership. Respond to a verification SMS or complete a short call. If using a soft phone, link the credentials and test inbound and outbound calls you finish by thoroughly testing. Place calls and send SMS from different networks to confirm delivery and audio quality. Once done, enable backups, add a secondary forwarding number, export your settings, and set billing alerts so service doesn't lapse. If messages are delayed or verification fails, reset routing, check SMS gateway limits, and confirm DND or carrier filtering isn't blocking traffic. Finally, keep provider support contact handy. If problems persist, escalate with logs and timestamps so they can fix it quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.